Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. Evaluate the triple integral z dv where e is the bounded by the cylinder y squared plus z squared equals to number 9 and the planes x equal to number 0, y equal to 3x and z equal to number 0 in the first octant. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. We need to analyze in the following. Z will go first, then go y, then go to x. About z, we have y squared plus z squared equal to number 9. We put the y square on the right. So we got about z equals to 9 minus y square under the square root. Because we have z equal to number 0, so we have the boundary of the z in here. The next one about y. We know that y has the boundary is about 3x, and we also know that y squared plus z squared equal to number 9. So if we put about z equal to number 0, y should be number 3, so the boundary of the maximum of the y is about number 3. So we have 3x is smaller than y and smaller than or equal to number 3. The next one, that's about x. We know that we have y equal to 3x. So we know that x equal to y over 3. We find that the boundary of the maximum of the y is about number 3. So x equal to 3 over 3. That's about number 1. And we have x equal to number 0. So we have the boundary of the x in here. And now we can do about the triple integral. So in here we have z, dz, dy, dx. Z we have this one. Dy we have this one. And the last one, that's dx. First, the integral of z is about z squared over 2. So we put in here and we got about y minus y squared, everything to the power of 2 dy dx. The next one, if we do the integral y over 2, you got about y squared, you got about y to the power of 3 over 3. And we can get about 9y over 2 minus y to the power of 3 over 3. And we have 3 and 3s in here. We put number 3 in here and 3s in here. That's about 9 over 2. and we have the negative. Oh wait, that's the number 6. (26) divided by 6, you got 9/2. And now we can do the final answer. And now this is about 27/8. That's the end. Thank you for watching.